We're taking photographs around Leagrave Park.
Come with us.
I got to see a lot of ladybugs. I got to see the Stone Henge, which I never knew about before today. I also saw the river as well, and I learned a lot of facts about how it connects around the world.
There are only about 260 chalk streams in the whole world. The River Lee is one of them.
I saw different kinds of trees, which I didn't know Luton had. I think it might have been a cherry blossom tree, and it looks really nice.
It was very beautiful. It's really cool.
Honestly, you could have told me it was an actual natural piece. I had no idea that it was actually a sculpture made by artists and that it was such a big community project and so many people were involved.
It was designed to create a place where people can gather together, play, hang out, have a picnic, enjoy nature and do performances.
Wallace Bank was constructed around 4000 BC, making it older than Stonehenge.
It was amazing how we stepped in the same steps of our ancestors.
We didn't know what they did inside Wallace Bank. It might have been a place that only a few people were allowed inside, or it could have been an area that people gathered together to hang out and have fun in. It might even have been a place that people made pilgrimage to.